tightening the bow. So how much? How little? This is a great question. What I like to look for is a bow. So there is a curve in the bow. If you've gone to parallel between the hair and the stick, it's too far. And when you find the dip in the bow, put your little finger in between, and that's about the right distance for regular playing. So if I could put my thumb through, I can't put my thumb through, but if I could, it would be too much. And when you're loosening the bow, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's about enough on my bow. So it should be not hanging, that the strings are, the hairs are hanging off like this, because that's going to catch everywhere. So a little bit more, but enough to take the tension off the hair. Perfect. Make sure to follow along for more bite-sized cello hacks.